1986 Ford Mustang GT. Anybody? Anyone? Anyone? Only $12.95, man. This car's been sitting here for a while. I think 2-3 months or something like that. Ford Mustang 1986. I don't know if you can see that VIN. They got it written out. Oh, look, I guess that far gone, but just got cracked there. I don't know. I know I've seen a few that look to be in better shape, but they've actually parted out. Sorry, the sun is on that side, so it's casting a shadow. I don't know if you can read that. There's the VIN again. I don't think. Can you see it there? Yeah, but she's at the BYOT Auto Salvage in Elm Mott. If anybody's interested, take a look under the hood. Appears to be all there, except looks like it's been sitting for a while. Take a quick look inside. What the hell is this? I got a gas tank back here. Crate or something. That dash don't look too bad, man. I don't think that dash is cracked, actually. Little warpage, but you know. Yeah, she's an automatic. See that last time it was on 09? Might have been, I can't tell. But yeah, there she is, man. Just thought I'd get a quick one of this car here. You know, got it sitting up front here. Alright, man. Came all the way out here, hour-and-a-half drive to see if there was this Mopar that they just got in, but yeah, it's pretty much just a shell. Alright, man. On to the next one.